Hi, my name is Zach and I'm one of the guest experience managers here at Holiday Ford. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 Ford Edge Titanium. Now this model in particular is the Star White color. So one of the unique features about the Titanium is going to be the chrome grille at the front here, as well as those machined alloy wheels. So one of the key points with the Edge is going to be this large center screen in your console here. Now this is going to have everything from your radio to Sirius XM to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as things like your climate controls, which you can see here. It is dual zone climate, so you can adjust these completely independent of each other, as well as your heated seats on both sides and your heated steering wheel. Additionally, you can also go ahead and bring up an expanded view of the climate controls here. We also have the vehicle menu in the upper left-hand corner. And this is going to allow you to configure things with your display, ambient lighting, software updates, and even your surround sound, which you can actually move point to point to focus on one seat or the other, depending on who wants to hear what amount of music. At the top of the screen here, we have an app drawer, and this is going to allow us to go back and forth between apps and entertainment. Everything in your phone, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and even an owner's manual are accessible directly from this menu here. And entertainment is going to go over to a couple of games to help keep passengers occupied, maybe while you're on a wait, a long drive-through, or waiting for somebody to get out of school. In this pocket in the center console, we have a wireless charger as well as two USB fast chargers. And when your phone is connected to those, that's also going to get you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now moving down a little bit to the rotary dial shifter right here, this is going to help clean up kind of your steering console. There's no more, lever shifter. There's no lever in here. It helps free up a little bit of space. So shifting gears is as simple as pushing your foot on the brake and twisting this to the gear that you want to go. Now additionally, when you are in reverse on this vehicle, you do have parking sensors in the front and rear. They're going to go off to let you know when you're getting close to a solid object so you don't bump into anything. And then of course you have a very wide angle view, clear view of the rear of the vehicle. Since this vehicle does have the Class 2 towing package on it, it's capable of towing about 3,500 pounds. And when you're backing up to a trailer, you can zoom in on right where the hitch is and get to the trailer every time. And there are some additional storage options here with the center console, this pull-out tray, and you have plenty of room for any extra gear, personal items, chargers, even a small vacuum cleaner to keep your car clean. Now this Edge in particular also features a twin panel moonroof. Now there is a full shade that will cover either half or the entire opening here. And then we can go ahead and just vent this rear section here or completely open it to let plenty of light and fresh air flow into the vehicle. And to help reduce wind noise, just above on the leading edge of the sunroof here, you have a wind deflector. It's going to help reduce that whooshing wind noise coming into the cab. So the 2023 Edge Titanium features a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, and that wheel has a lot of controls on it. It's going to let you move through different menus on your phone or the current radio station. You can also go through and configure active driver assists, view intelligent all-wheel drive, which power is going to what wheel, your distance to empty, and things like tire pressure as well. The seats in this Edge are the Active X leather with a ceramic color and freeform diamond stitching. Keeping all your devices charged is just as important for all the passengers as it is the driver, and the Edge features an additional 2 USB chargers in the rear, as well as a 110-volt wall plug just to the right of that. So taking a moment to look at the fob here, we do have access to both remote start and the power liftgate. Opening up the tailgate of the Edge here, we can see we have a ton of space for any cargo you want to bring along here. So school bags, golf gear, you want to bring your dog with you, you'll have plenty of space. And if you need even more room, of course, the rear seats in the Edge will fold down to get you even more space back here. So another feature on the Edge is going to be intelligent access. And this is proximity based with the fob. So when the fob is close by, I can go ahead and reach into the door handle here and unlock the vehicle, go ahead and get in. If I'm getting out, again, I don't even have to touch the fob. I can push on these little ridges right here and lock the vehicle. And this only works when I'm near the vehicle, so if I take a couple of steps back and have someone try that, the vehicle's not gonna open up for me. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick video of the 2023 Edge Titanium. Now, if you have any questions over this Edge or any other models, please feel free to reach out to Holiday Ford in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin.